My house recently got smaller and I have had to rearrange my house once again to fit my teaching area. Where I was working before, it was my desk, and then I had these nice big box studio lights sitting behind it, and I had my photography backdrop / green screen that was behind it, and that just doesn't work anymore. Small house problems. I've done this so many times. Every time something changes in my life, I end up moving things around. So I know my camera's kind of like way up there right now. What I am doing is, right now, I'm waiting for the mail to come because it says I can't wait to show you this and see if it's worth it and if it works, because right now the lights that I have, they're just desk lights, and they are terrible for teaching with. I make do with them, but I really want something a little bit better. So right now I'm just waiting for the mail to come. It's a light that's going to fit on my desk so that I can, you know, like, instead, it's not a big ring light. I don't like those clip-on desk lights. I've used them before and I'm not really a fan of the clip-on ring lights. I want something that's going to work for both my video camera and my computer, and you know, if I want to teach on my iPad and do something, I want it to work for the iPad. Like, I kind of want it to be like versatile and be able to do like everything that I want it to do and not take up a lot of room, because I don't have a lot of room here. So hopefully this comes soon and I can set it up before class and give you guys a review on it. Package came in, so we're going to do our unbagging today. This is what it is. It is an LED light. It's a key light, so it's supposed to be better than a ring light, because it is, instead of having the ring, it's like the whole thing. So I have no idea. It was cheaper than a lot of ring lights. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was. We're going to set this up and we're going to see what I think of this, because right now I don't have a lot of room on my desk. Okay, so it comes with a cell phone holder. A lot of them do now, though. I don't use my phone for that stuff anyways. This is the base of it. It's soft, and look how the bottom feels. Whoop, sticks. I'm really, 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 really excited. Okay, to see if this is what I need, because right now I don't have a lot of room. Does this change height? Oh no, it does not. It does not change height. Okay, so we're gonna oh, wrong end. I do not read instructions. Can you tell? Okay. So it looks like it goes like this, and then the top part is going to go here. I'm so excited because I've been dealing with not so great lighting for a while, ever since I moved my desk. Okay, so this, I'm going to guess, tightens it so this can't move. So I'm going to do that while I'm screwing it on. This is the light that I just got for my classroom lighting. It reminds me of a drum, but it's not drum-like. Okay, so gotta undo the thingamabobs. It was so weird because it said that it was waiting for delivery. It said that it was waiting for delivery, and I waited and I waited and I waited, and it didn't come. Well, then finally it said that it came at like 6 o'clock. I looked and it said that it was delivered, and it had a picture. So I go outside to look, and it's not there. But then I looked and it said it was delivered at like 3 o'clock, and I made this video at like 3 o'clock, the first part of this. So I'm like asking the kids, "Did you guys bring something in?" No. Go on, I look, and it's on my kitchen table. So somebody brought it in. I don't know who. It doesn't come with a plug or inner thingy, so I gotta go grab one. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see how this works. Okay, that's nice and bright. Okay, that's nice and bright. I'm liking this. This is my lighting with no key light. So this is just my lighting with the desktop lights, the lamps. This is my lighting with no lamps. So you can see my lighting in here is pretty atrocious. So now I'm going to stick this behind here. Oh, that's so good. Okay, hold on. I think it's all the way up right now. Okay, this looks a lot better. Here, we're gonna turn this off really quick. Turn the lights back on. I always like to get a good comparison of what I'm doing here. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so you can see I'm kind of like orangey with that. So let's turn this on here. So this is my camera. I am so excited. This looks, I'm looking at the camera, so that's why I'm not looking at you, but this looks so much better. So let's turn the mode. It's gonna be orangey if I want. So it's like the orangey, the cool blue. Now, the other thing that we're gonna have to do is take a look and see what it looks like in my classroom. So now I'm going to switch over, record a video on the computer really quick, and see what that looks like. I'm really happy because it's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've had good lighting. The ring lights take up so much room, and you either have like the big giant ring lights that like take up, you know, way more room than I have, or you have the little clip-on lights. And I've used the clip-on ones, and I know that some of them have good reviews, but I have never found a clip-on one that I like. Where did I put my remote? Okay. So I've never found a clip-on one that I like personally, so we'll have to see how that works with the computer and see how that goes. So this is my Zoom. This is just the regular computer camera with the only light that's on is the light that's behind me. It looks terrible. This looks terrible. And then I'll turn on my lights that are in my classroom. I know I gotta fix my green screen. That's another project that I'll be doing here at some point in time, is fixing the green screen. I'm gonna be hanging it from the ceiling because, like I said, I'm in a very small area. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these lights. And a moment of truth. Let's see how this looks. Right, 3, 2, 1. Ah! It looks so good. It looks so good. So good. Okay. This looks so good. I'm so happy. I've had like really bad lighting for ever since I moved it over. Let's turn these on and see how this looks. Okay. So I now have lighting in my classroom. It was very affordable. I don't really want to give a price where I put the thing, because I think I just have the thing here. I don't want to say a price just because the prices always change, but it was less than $40, and there was a $6 promotional certificate that came with it. So this altogether, at the time that I got it, it cost me $35.88. And I think it works just as good as another ring light, but it's way smaller. So again, I've got my green screen that I'm going to turn on now. I got a heart like a tree. It's been drugged through mud. Runs on dreams and gasoline. That old highway holds the key. Okay, so you can see with just those lights, it's kind of like blah. Let's see if this fixes it. Yeah, it's more, it's definitely better. It's definitely better. I am so excited. Let's look at the other modes really quick. And then again, I can turn it down. I can turn it up. I'm happy about this. I will put a link in the description box if you are looking for a small ring light for your class like I was. You guys, I'm super happy about this. I mean, it's literally, whoa, hold on. That was cool. Okay, didn't do it again. It's this big. Okay, it's this big altogether, this big. And it has a cell phone holder on it. I guess I could do that too and see what it looks like, the difference on the cell phone. Oh, I just realized I have a hay sliver. Every single time I do hay, it never fails. I just did hay today. Every single time I do hay, I get a hay splinter. Every single time I do hay, I don't wear gloves. And in my opinion, I think they're worse than other splinters. So, okay, but yeah, that snaps on there like that. By the way, I got these, you can't see it because it's blending in with the green screen, but I got these little things. They're called, I don't know what they're called, but they're, instead of like a pop socket, they're like a sticky thing. It's supposed to use the technology of gecko pads. And I'll tell you right now, these are not made for people like me. These, I've gotten so much stuff stuck on the sticky because I'll have it like in my jeans and then I'll go out to the barn and I'll feed the animals. And next thing you know, I've got hay stuck on it and all sorts of stuff. It broke on me. These are made for people that are, I guess, higher maintenance than me. So we'll take a video with my phone. We'll see how this looks. So taking the video. Oh man, you guys. We'll see how this lasts, but I'm telling you right now, I recommend this. I recommend this 100 times because my lighting sucks, my space sucks, and I just don't have the room for like all those huge, I mean, like I'll show you, I'll put right here somewhere, I'll put the lighting that I had before, and it was amazing. It was actually like photography lighting. That takes up a lot of space. I don't have a lot of space right now, so I am happy about this purchase. Super happy. Recommend this. It doesn't take up a lot of space, about as much space as my cell phone, right? So if you have room to put your cell phone on your desk, then you would have room to put this, like, you know, a cell phone on your desk, like behind whatever. So if you're looking for an easy light to install, again, I can turn this down because it is a little bit bright right now, but if you're looking for an easy light to install or to put up in your classroom and you don't have a lot of space and you're kind of teaching in a little corner of your house, this one works. I'll put a link in the description box. I love it. I'm super happy with this. Now, as always, if you are an online teacher, I didn't do my introduction here. If you're an online teacher and you want to see online teaching videos, make sure you click subscribe and hit that bell notification. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up because it helps support my channel so that I can support you some more on this channel. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye.